right, guys, welcome back to another episode of Hard Hat Heroes. We're about to go surprise some instructors from Shop 56 Pipefitters. They are working on something called Portable Coordinate Measuring Machines, also known as Faro Arm. We are improving project performance by 37%, building pipe before we've even ripped any out. And also, we are reducing the education and training timeline by 75% because it's training built by the mechanics for the mechanics. It can't get better than that. All right, let's go surprise them. They have no idea. This is exciting. Let's go do this. Hello, guys. Good morning. Hey, it's Captain Wolfson. I just wanted to let you guys know, hey,
Hi.
Dallas, Brandon, good morning.
Good morning.
I know I'm catching you by surprise, but I wanted to let you know that you are connecting to our mission right now. How do you feel about this technology?
I feel it's very important in basically, maintaining the mission and, delivering ships on time every time because it pushes the schedule to the left. We're able to build the assemblies prior to them being cut out, so it's essential.
That's pretty cool. So we're improving project performance.
Exactly.
Yeah, and how do you think we're making, Brandon, this connection to our mission?
I think we're able to make sure that everything that we measure stays within tolerance, and we're able to just follow the road, no problems.
Wow.
Eliminate speed bumps.
I just think that's amazing. It's incredible. Well, I wanted to let you know, thank you very much. You are a hard hat hero, and Bravo Zulu, well done. What you're doing is making a significant difference here at Puget, and your time and your effort is really, really appreciated. So thanks a lot, and I look forward to more opportunities to work with you guys and keep doing what you're doing.
Thank you.
All right, thanks guys. One mission,
Thank you.
one team, great job.